Hello coders. In the newer version of sklearn, Jupyter Notebook is not printing all the parameters, right? So to explain this, I have taken k-nearest-neighbor classifier. You can use any classifier as per your requirement and you are currently working on. So now you can see from sklearn.neighbors, here I have imported k-nearest-neighbor. Now we require these two lines of code. From sklearn, we have to import set_config. By default, this value is true. So set_config, in this function, we have to pass print_change_only to true, which is by default true, right? So that's why it will display here nothing. So when this value is true, only the parameters that were set to non-default values will be printed when printing an estimator. That you can see. Default parameters will not be displayed and we haven't set any non-default parameters, so it will display nothing. Now here you can see we have to make this value to false. That you can see set_config print_change_true to false, because by default is true. We want the default parameters to be printed like this. You can see, so it will print all the default and non-default parameters as well. Let I show you this practically in the Jupyter Notebook. Now here you can see currently I am using sklearn version of 0.23.2 and here I have imported. We require these two lines of code. By default it's true, right? So as I said, if this value is true, only the parameters that were set to non-default values will be printed. You can see here I have set one non-default parameters. So when you execute this cell, it will display non-default parameters only. But if I remove this, then it will display nothing. If I want that it will display default as well as a non-default parameters, means all the parameters, then we have to make this print_change_only to false. Now let I execute this. Now you can see all the parameters are printed. Now let I set non-default parameter. In place of default 5 neighbors, let I set it to only one neighbor. You can see it will display all the parameters, either it is default or non-default parameter. So we require to add these two lines of code in the Jupyter Notebook if you want to display default and non-default parameters. Otherwise it will display only non-default values. So you can find these two lines of the code in the description below and you can add in your Jupyter Notebook project. Thank you for watching.